Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Welcome to the digital age where the internet isn't just for connecting people but a modern gold rush of opportunities. It's revolutionized how we earn, making it possible to generate income without stepping outside our homes. From the flexibility of freelancing to the vast world of e-commerce, even to the dynamic realm of online investments, there's a wealth of digital gold mines waiting to be tapped. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the secrets of making money online. First up, freelancing, your skills, your time, your rules. Picture this, a world where you monetize your abilities, from graphic design to writing, coding to consulting. This is the realm of freelancing, a frontier where your skill set is your greatest asset. So how do you navigate this territory? It starts by identifying your skills. What can you do better or differently than others? Once you've figured that out, it's time to market yourself. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancers serve as bustling marketplaces for freelancers, brimming with opportunities. But remember, freelancing is not just about getting gigs, it's about building a reputation. As you complete more projects successfully, your portfolio grows, and so does your credibility. This credibility in turn allows you to demand higher rates, making your skills more profitable over time. With dedication, your skills can become your main income source. The freelance frontier is all about turning your talents into treasure. Next, e-commerce. The world is your marketplace. Imagine having a store where the sun never sets, your doors are always open, and your products are available to billions. Welcome to the realm of e-commerce, where potential is as vast as the internet itself. Starting an online store begins with finding your niche, that unique product or service that sets you apart. Then, it's about sourcing these products, whether it's handmade crafts or imported goods. But it's not just about selling. Platforms like Amazon or Shopify are your launchpad, and they're only as good as the fuel you provide. That fuel is excellent customer service and unwavering quality. Remember, your reputation is just a click away from being reviewed and shared. So treat every customer like your first and every product like your premium. Build trust, maintain quality, and watch your e-commerce venture grow. Your online store can become an empire if you play your cards right. Finally, investments. Making your money work for you. You see, the internet isn't just for shopping or scrolling through social media, it's a powerful tool for financial growth. The online investment landscape is vast and diverse, offering opportunities from trading stocks and cryptocurrencies to investing in promising startups on platforms like Seed Invest. Consider the stock market. It's no longer about Wall Street suits and ties. Anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can buy and sell shares. Then there's the world of cryptocurrencies, a digital gold rush where fortunes can be made or lost overnight. But let's not forget about equity crowdfunding platforms, where you can invest in tomorrow's big ideas today. Startups are hungry for capital, and your investment could help launch the next big thing. However, remember that with great potential comes great risk. Successful online investing requires thorough research, careful risk assessment, and above all, patience. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about strategic, thoughtful investing. Invest wisely, and your money could grow while you sleep. So there you have it. The secrets to making money online. We've traversed the vast landscape of the online gold rush, exploring various avenues to increase your income from the comfort of your home. Let's do a quick recap. We started with the freelance frontier, where your skills and expertise can be your ticket to financial freedom. Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or any other skill you possess, there's a demand for it out there. Remember, it's all about marketing your skills effectively and delivering quality work consistently. Then we moved on to the e-commerce empire, a realm where you can sell products directly to consumers. This could be your own products or those sourced from suppliers. Here the key is to identify a niche, understand your audience, and provide exceptional customer service. Our journey also touched upon investment insights, where we discussed the possibilities of earning through online trading and investments. But remember, this route requires careful research, risk assessment, and patience. The underlying mantra across these domains is dedication. There's no magic wand for instant success. It's about putting in the hard work, learning from your mistakes, and persisting through the challenges. Quality, too, is paramount. Whether it's your freelance work, the products you sell, or the investments you make, always aim for the highest quality. The world of online income awaits you, so why not get started today?